Hello guys, good to have you here. Something interesting landed on my radar today. It goes by the name Ethra AI, an artificial intelligence project built inside the DeFi space. And honestly, there is quite a bit to unpack here, so let's walk through it together. Viewers, if this channel is new to you, subscribe my YouTube channel and tap the bell as well. That way you catch every video we put out. Just so we are clear from the start, this video exists to share information, nothing more. It is not telling you where to put your money. Crypto involves risk and that risk is real. Do your own homework before making any move. So what exactly is Ethra AI? At its core, it's trading ecosystem powered by artificial intelligence. The platform runs on the Ethereum blockchain. It is designed for the DeFi world. The idea is straightforward. AI handles the market analysis. The platform executes trades. Revenue comes in from those trades, and that revenue goes right back into the ecosystem. No middleman, no vague promises, just a system built around real on-chain results. So here you can also check out the core features. Five things hold this platform together. Number one, here you can check out AI models that never sleep. Markets are watched and analyzed around the clock every single day. Number two, fully automated trading strategies run on their own without needing constant human input. Number three, real revenue generation. The trading activity produces actual income and that income feeds back into the system. Number four, long term thinking. This is not a project chasing short wins. The focus is on stable community back growth. And the number five is full transparency. The vision is clear, the direction is public, and the community stays informed. So viewers, here you can check out the detail of the tokenomics. The native token powering everything here is called Ethra. Total supply sits at 42 trillion tokens. Here is how that supply breaks down. So you can check out 5% for the pre-sale share, 25% for the liquidity that is logged at launch, and 20% reserved for the rewards and revenue, 15% for the development vested, and 10% marketing vested, and 5% reserve. So here you can also check out the volume of each category, and you can also see that every allocation has a purpose behind it. And here you can also check out the detail of the pre-sale information. The pre-sale is running live on Ethereum network. Ethra follow the ERC20 token standard. The soft cap target has been 125,000 US dollar and the hard cap is 250,000 US dollars. Pre-sale allocation has been mentioned here. You can check out. Token price has been mentioned here. Here you can also check out that is the price of stage 1 network Ethereum ERC20 and accepted Ethereum USDT BNB. Here you can also check out the detail of pre-sale stages. So viewers, you can see that the base entry rate gives you 50 million tokens for every $1 spent. Four stages make up the full pre-sale. Here you can check out the detail of the four stages. So you can see that stage 1 offers 2.5 trillion tokens and stage 2 offers 3 trillion tokens. Stage 3 also has 3 trillion tokens and stage 4 also has 2 trillion tokens, and the price of each stage has been mentioned here on the screen. You can check out. Tokens are already moving. Earlier you get in, the better your entry price. So if you want to take part in the pre-sale, join the pre-sale. Here the link has been given, you will click on it. So this is the pre-sale interface. First of all, we will have to connect our wallet. Here you can check out, I have already connected my wallet. So you can check out the number of tokens sold has been mentioned here. Goal has been mentioned here. USD raised up till now has been mentioned here. You can check out, and the goal has been mentioned here. You can check out 250,000 US dollars. So current price is mentioned here. You can check out, and you can also check out minimum 1 USDT. So viewers, you can see that pre-sale balance. So we can pay with Ethereum, pay with BNB, pay with USDT. So I am going to select USDT. Here we will put the amount of USDT. So I am going to select 100 USDT. If we have just 100 USDT, we can grab this amount of Ethra. So after putting this amount, we can buy it with USDT. We will confirm the transaction, and in this way we can grab it. The official pre-sale portal link is given in the description of the video. You can grab this token. Here you can also check out the detail of the roadmap. The team has mapped out 6 clear phases. So viewers, you can check out the detail of roadmap. Phase 1 was about building the foundation and locking in the concept. Phase 2 is the pre-sale and the token launch happening now. And phase 3 focuses on building the proprietary AI trading bot. And phase 4 brings a beta version of the platform out of real users to test. And phase 5 is the full launch including a dedicated mobile application. Phase 6 looks at AI upgrades and expanding into new trading territories. Structured, deliberate, moving forward. Here you can also check out the detail of the vision. So its vision is become the leading AI powered trading ecosystem in DeFi, generating real revenue and delivering long term value. So it's secure and transparent. Real revenue generation has been claimed and community driven. So you can also check out the detail in the white paper. So if you like going deep before making any decision, the white paper is there for you. It lays out the full technical framework, tokenomics, platform mechanics, long-term strategy, all documented in detail. Serious researchers will find everything they need inside it. The white paper link is in the description below. It's also available on the website. I recommend all my viewers to join the Telegram community. The Telegram community is where things move fastest. Major announcements hit there before anywhere else. Pre-sale milestone, launch dates, ecosystem updates, all shared in real time. So you can also follow Ethra AI on Twitter. The official Twitter account keeps things sharp and current. Quick updates, partnership news, campaign launches posted regularly. It is the fastest way to catch what the team is saying publicly. So I recommend all my viewers to join these social media communities. Viewers, Ethra AI is putting together something with real structure behind it. AI driven trading, genuine on chain revenue, and a community that is part of the process. If this is the kind of project you want to explore further, the official website link has been given in the description of the video. Go through them at your own pace and decide what makes sense for you. If this video added any value, a like goes a long way. It helps this content reach people who are actually looking for it. Take care, keep thinking critically, and I will see you in the next one.